What are you doing to your jacker, Liam?
Overloading it with twisty wires. But what we've got attached to it is ceiling lights, water pump, diesel heater and water heater.
And what are you hoping to make?
I'm going to make a coffee.
A coffee? Is that the goal of today?
Coffee.
Hang on, but what's so special about making this coffee? What are you making it with?
Well, I'm making my own coffee and I'm going to make it with your special cafetiere, but more importantly, it's a diesel heater powered coffee.
You heard it first. So here he is. Hot running water. Hot running water in a van. Is that hot?
It's hot, yeah.
That's amazing, that.
It's currently at 78 degrees. And that's how you make coffee using your diesel heater. The way it works is the diesel heater powers air through a heat exchanger made by Bobil vans at bobilvans.co.uk. That heat exchanger then has a pump that pumps water through into an 18-litre tank. That tank then heats up to around, it's meant to be 70 degrees, but I did push it a little bit for the coffee. And from there, that is pumped to the tap, and there we have hot coffee. Oh, the coffee, by the way, is available at LiamTheTerrible.com. It's axe to grind coffee. Oh.